So I just looked it up. I haven't been to this area for over 3 years. There's mostly rainbow in here. I have found one cutthroat, and I'm hoping the higher I go, the more I find. I don't know if that's true, but seen one, so we'll see how that goes. That's kind of the journey I've been hoping to do over the last few years, but just haven't made it up here. It's not even like this is too far out of the way. It's just you gotta walk to it. There's a hike involved, and it's not that bad. It's just getting the motivation to do it when you have easier places to go to. But I'm here, ready to catch some fish. It's a cloudy day, got a lot of overcast. It's been in the 90s, but the last few days it's been in the 70s. We got clouds and possible rain. I'm just hoping we don't see no thunderstorms, so that'd be cool if we don't run into any of that. But let's go see how we do. Thanks for joining in, and let's go catch some fish. Well, it's starting to rain, and I'm gonna have to get into the river down here to go up and around my corner. I'm worried I'll start hearing thunderstorms, have to jump out, but I'll wait till I hear it, or at least until it really starts pouring. I'll sit down under a tree, chill out for a little bit. Had it. Dang it. I have to put on something smaller. There we go. Rainbow. I got excited for a second. Almost looked like a cutty. Man, I'm struggling because there's a lot of tiny fish, and I'm using a size 12 Kabari, but I'm not taking it down. I just remembered that I used to fish dry, so I might put on a dry. That's fun anyways. And then I can catch more fish. There's mall in this creek anyways, and it's really shallow. Alright, look how pretty. Can't get a good shot of it. Doesn't want to turn the right way. Pretty. Thanks, buddy. See if I can get a couple more big ones out of there before I switch to the dry. We'll try the UKB one more time. There was bigger fish. I'll probably switch to the dry, like I said, but I'd like to use this. But they're not like really swallowing it, they're just kind of nibbling at it. Nice. One around the same size, just a little smaller. He might be small enough to go through the net. No? Cool. See, they should in theory be able to take this fly, but no. I missed some bigger ones back there. Got me triple thinking. Alright, I got it on a dry fly. I just got a blue wing. Kind of bigger, but see if they can take it or not. These guys are probably already spooked. I can see them. It's crazy how shallow some of this is. I'm not even seeing fish that I'd normally see fish. I thought I went when it was shallow, but this is just ridiculous. I'm having a very bad water year, and I went when there was 2 good water years in a row, and that may be why. It wasn't much higher than this, but enough to notice a huge difference. Yeah, this is crazy. But right here should be loaded with fish. This is one of the deepest spots. There's no reason why fish shouldn't be here, but I gotta be stealthy because they can see me from so far. Yeah, but it doesn't even look that deep from here. Normally this is just crazy deep. I'm not seeing no fish run, nothing. This is abnormal. crazy. Like I said, oh, there we go. It's always fish here, usually. There. Oh, dang it. Oh man, that was a good one too. There you go. Could it be the same fish? This is where I actually caught a cutthroat one year. There you go. That's a good one. I had some fun takes. This guy was fun. I'm not sure if he was the one who hit me twice. If it was two different fish. Not 100% sure. Thought I stung the first fish. But these fish also don't see a whole lot of pressure, if like at all. Rarely. Keep wanting to do the other side for me. There we go. Not very pretty. That rainbow's gonna be rainbows. I'd like to show them off. Yeah, not very pretty at all. Not much to look at. Alright. A lot of moss too. Yeah, like I said, this is just unusual. Oh, I had one. Wasn't paying attention. Jumping rocks. Ooh, almost fell. Nice. That's a good one. Got out. It's dark. This drop's a little dark. Cool. To be honest, this pool should have one. Sure. It's the biggest one I've seen in a minute. I landed my line on the top, dang it. I guess this is the deepest for a while. Interesting. There you go. Yeah. I was gonna say that's too deep not to have anything compared to what I've seen. It's kind of a weird time. I think I like fishing later in the year on this creek. I don't think I'll be back here. Well, I guess springtime should be nice, but I'll wait a month next time I come up here. I know that for the future. Remind myself. Well, the dark clouds are coming. I can feel the wind blowing it this way. I might not hang around much longer, as long as I was hoping, because I don't want to get caught up in that. I got a couple mile hike back. It's a little over a couple miles from here, I believe. So, yeah, I don't want to get caught up in it. As soon as that reaches like right there, I'm out of here. I'll call it good. And come back here in a month. Holy crap. Ooh, that was a big fella. Dang it. These parts just suck. Yeah, I gotta start fishing those a little more effectively before I just get up and spook. Oop, fish went for it. Oh, that was so rad. Radical takedown. Here comes the rain. Uh-oh. That sucks. Oh, I didn't get to move in time. Well, I gotta find me a good spot to sit down. There we go. Oh, I had him. Dang it. That was a nice one too. And there it goes. And I'll take that. That's cool. Well, I'm stuck in it and I got lightning. Son of a bitch. Wait it out. Alright. It stopped raining. And it's been 30 minutes since the last thunder. It's no longer as black. We got some whiter clouds coming. It might not be smart, but I might try to fish. Might be dumb. But no lightning for 30 minutes. If I hear thunder, I'm done. But I'm here. I already had to wait it out in my shelter. So I want to keep fishing if it's done. And that looks like a good sign right there. And it looks like it's moving this way, so I think we'll be alright. Rain every now and then, but it's basically done. Alright, this hole should have something. Maybe the next one past that, looking promising. The last few did not, surprisingly. A little too shallow. No thunderstorms, no rain, just cloudy. I like it. Still a little worried about the lightning, but at the same time, I know I'm good. Really, there's only 2 strikes. And I also have no idea how close they actually were. Oh, got chased. There's one. Heard something moving around behind me. I think something's been over there. Here, probably a moose. Probably hard to hear, but it's moving around. Alright. Oh, you inhaled it. I debarbed it. Should come right out if I can get a hold of it. There we go. Something big's over there. Cool. Oh, that was a nice take. That was a big one. Oh, I pulled too early. I get excited. Womp, 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 womp. I don't think anything else is gonna... Oh, there you go. I never know if it's the same fish. Mostly because they never get fished much out here. And it almost feels like the same fish keeps rising. After I miss them today. Which doesn't happen often as much as it's happening. Same spot, same everything. They are just inhaling that thing. Which makes sense because, oh goodness. My tool's broken too, so it makes it a little harder to use this. I don't recall what I was saying. Oh, I've been seeing blue wing olives. Not a lot of them. There's some big ones too, actually. It's kind of cool. I don't know if this is a PMD. I think it's a PMD, but close enough. I didn't have anything in the right size, right class, so it's working. Ain't no way there's a third coming out of here. Right? I don't think so. Oh, nice. Alright, I guess so. An even bigger one at that. Pretty. Ah, yeah. You are pretty. Alright. Cool colors on this one too. Yeah. My phone got all wet, so I'm not sure how good a view my camera is. But that's pretty. This hole's been good. Nothing. This area is like fishless. Babies, but that's all I'm seeing. This should really hold trout right here. Babies. Well, at least they got their own sanctuary. If this all I keep seeing as I move up, I'm ready to move. I'm ready to go home. It's literally just those little itty bitty teeny. And I don't really want to go after them. I'm not going to switch up to go after them. I want the bigger ones. And I'm not seeing them. They're just not here. I don't know where they'll start again or what, but once you get to a certain point, they just, boom, gone. Crazy. There we go. Oh, sorry for the fish. Cool. I don't know why these two, I had two sitting right here, they wouldn't eat it. I guess I spooked them. Really not a lot of fish in here. I really have not seen too many. Scared maybe like a couple small ones, but the further I go, the less I'm seeing. I don't know if at a certain point it just mellows out, something, I don't know. It's weird. But this stretch ain't like hot. A lot of fishless holes that look like they should have fish in it. Well, this spot's cool. Look at that. Oh, dang it. It's a big one too. Ah, man. Looking down, I didn't get to see the tape. Brother, that blows. Man, I look like a big old splash. He took it with authority. Huh? Ah, it's lame. I didn't think I was gonna get one. I sat there for a sec. Usually they're pretty fast overall. I must have saw it from around the way. Alright, would have been cool to see his take, but we didn't. We were sleeping. I didn't think anything was going to take it. Thank you. It's a good one. See if this hole's got anything else good. Looks good. Damn it. Really wish I would have seen that. The freaking waves were all killer. Dang it. Alright, see if there's any more in there. Don't look away, even if I think I'm not getting one. I was dumb on my part. Waited out. There you go. Woo! Sorry, little buddy. I was sitting down. I didn't know how much power I had. Still a rainbow. See you later. That cool little spot. Beautiful. Nice. Oh, that's okay. Got off. Oh, second. They're stacked up in here. All right. Well, that's where they all are. Couldn't find them up there because they're all here. Nice. What a freaking killer spot, man. I'm just working at the back of the pool and working up. They are freaking beat up rainbows though, for sure. Oh, you got stuck in between that rock. How can we help you? There you go. I don't know where you went. Hopefully you went out. That's so cool. That was bad on me. Oh my gosh, what a freaking sweet kickflip. Oh wow, they're just nuts out in there. That's a bigger one. I hit the honey hole, man. This is insane. I'm telling you, I wasn't really seeing fish for a very long time. Kind of starting to get it. Alright, thank you. To pound it hard. He gets down in there. Some cutthroat. All rainbows. Guess I gotta keep going higher. I'm telling you, the one I found the once gave me a lot of hope for the future. It wasn't even crossbred or anything either. But, wow, I mean, I guess it could have been, but it was pure as day cutthroat though. Ooh. Ah, man. This is probably the best honey hole I've ever fished in my whole life. This is just insane. Especially for a creek that really doesn't have that many fish and they're all just here, just loaded. I really can't believe it. If you could have see the creek the way I just saw the creek, this is just nuts. And I can see the bottom. It's not like it's super deep. I mean, they're getting some airflow right there. I mean, that's probably what they like during the summer. But, this is just nuts. Sweet. I almost feel bad. Like, this is just nuts. I don't know if there's anything in the back. No? But that'll get them. Aw. Finding the smaller ones. Starting to slow down now that I've cut them all. Ooh, that's another nicer one. Give me a nice fight. Then all dead. Oh, come on. This tool's a little too big for this size. Nice. Holy sugar. Well, I just need to come walk to this point, fish to these guys, and then go home. They're stacked up. Oh, that's it. That's a cutty. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Oh my goodness. All right, see, they're in here. There we go. There's my belief. I've been talking about it. There is my truth. Told you I wasn't talking smack. They're in here. It's off now. Please don't get off the net. Let's move you aside. That's awesome, man. Oh, I've been wondering when I'll see another one of you in here. Second one. That's so cool. I really got to know how much higher you got to go till you start seeing just these instead of the wild rainbow. All right, here's my second time again. Second time seeing a cutty in this stream. That's so cool. I got that backwards. Fish is backwards. I want you to go that way. There you go. There we go. That's so cool. I love to see the cutties, especially in this stream. All rainbows. I don't know how they're not intermixing, but he doesn't got any of those like special colors. You can clearly see that that's a cutty. And there is a ton of rainbows in this creek. Wild rainbows. That's so cool. Lost his maxilla somehow. Another fisherman. Alright, thank you, dude. So cool to see another cutty. I am. One of these days, next month, I'm gonna go all the way up. It's one heck of a hike, but I'm gonna find more of them. I finally want to get to a point where that's mostly what I'm seeing. That makes me feel good. Cutthroat in the honey hole. I don't get it. How you guys keep missing? You look big. I mean, not as big as you look. Uh-oh. There you go. That's a bigger one. You didn't give me a lame excuse this time. Yeah, that's a good one. Well, bigger one finally got it. He's a really pretty one. Cool. Watch him strike at it a few times. Ah, that's a good one. Ooh, that's a big one. Ooh, yeah, that's a really good one. Oh, did he get off? Oh no, he's just on the other side. Sorry. You're the biggest of the day, I believe. You're fighting well, at least. Yeah, you're a good one. Sorry, you had to smack her down on the rocks like that. That sucks. Ooh, you are active. You are pretty. Look how gorgeous. Wow. Biggest of the day. That's a good one. Let's show you off. Let you freak out for a second. And then show you, because you're big. You're nice. Yeah, look at you. Thanks for coming to play. Yeah, the spot rules. It's got the whole neighborhood. I feel really guilty for catching this many. Ah, that's another good one. Some big fellers in here. Oh, see, he's got kind of the gutty rainbow look to him. Cut bow. Ooh, I didn't like that. Sorry, buddy. I want to move angles And if, I feel like if I stand up, I'll spook all the fish and stop biting. Oh my goodness, you gotta hold still, buddy. Yow. What a hard take. Oh, come on. It's a good fight. See, I stand up and stop biting because they couldn't see me. That has to be the reason. I stand up and nothing. They're all done. It's crazy. Oh, sit down and let's see if we can catch one. I know I'm getting to about the end. They basically all played with me now. But yeah, I stand up, they can see me, sit down and start catching them. That's crazy. It's very interesting actually, for how well they're doing it. Alright, it's starting to rain. Clouds are coming. I'm out. Thank you for watching. I freaking creamed them in this honey hole. A true honey hole. I did okay in the rest of the creek. There wasn't a whole lot of them. They're just hanging out in spots like this. During the hot heat. It's been hot. Everything else. I'm coming back next month. During the cooler weather. They must hang out here because this water must get hot. We've still been underneath 68 here. So been doing good, but time to check out before I regret it. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and I got my cutthroat here. I was not lying. Makes me feel good seeing another one. All right, see you guys next time. Well, this sucks. Nothing but rain on the trail. I would have liked to stay out in the open, but just heard some thunder, so I'm gonna stay next to these trees and try to book it. All the clouds are looking pretty bad around me now. I think the rain's here to stay for a while, so I'm gonna boogie on out. There is no waiting it out anymore. I don't think. It's not looking like it. So yeah, raining all the way over there and all up here, so let's just get out of here. Fudge.